All right, good morning. Day 17. It is 6:15 a.m. and I am up, totally packed up, ready to go. Mainly because they're predicting some rain this morning, maybe starting at 7. I didn't want to pack up wet gear, so got up early. We're going to get on the trail. I don't know if you can see, but the sun is nope. Sun's just barely starting to come over the horizon. It'll be light here in a half hour. So, all right. Not looking forward to the rain, but what else can you do? All right, good morning. About 3¼ miles into the hike this morning. It's about 8:30. They're calling for storms. I don't know if it's storms or rain. Sometime between 9 and 11. So we're trying to keep moving, get some miles done this morning. Also with the goal of having a warm shower and a bed and mattress tonight. So anyway, came upon this little bit of view here. I don't know if you can see, but down there is Fontana Lake. Just a pretty view this morning. So let's also do our verse of the day. It's Romans 3:23 and 24. For all have sinned and fall short of the glory of God, and all are justified freely by His grace through the redemption that came by Jesus Christ. All right, guys. We'll see what we can get done before we get some rain here. All right, guys. Well, the rain found us. It's been coming down for about a half hour now. All bundled up, just trying to continue to move along. But this little guy's blocking my path this morning. He just doesn't want to move. I don't think he likes the rain either. Little eastern newt, I believe. All right. Well, we're gonna step over him and move on down the path. All right, guys, close out day 17. Not a lot of video content today. It started raining about 9 o'clock and pretty much continued until about 3:45 when I got off the trail. It was still just a light rain. Most of the views were socked in clouds and haze all day. And I was kind of on a timeline for my pickup to come here to the Hiker Inn. That's where I'm at, in my room here. Got picked up, got a quick shower. They took us into town. We had a good meal. There was 4 other hikers. Nancy has my laundry. She's getting that washed. And took us to Ingles to the grocery store for anything we needed to pick up. Just a really, really nice place. I'll show you more of it tomorrow as I'm taking a 0 day tomorrow. So we'll see you all tomorrow.